This product here is Autoglym glass spray. Sometimes when I'm using Autoglym fast glass and I just can't seem to remove or there's stubborn sort of stains on a vehicle interior mainly, I'll switch over to the Autoglym glass spray. It's a little bit stronger, so just as a little demonstration, I get the lid off, give it a shake, and then putting it on the glass. And then with a soft microfiber, or a microfiber for glass only, give it a, and what I tend to find actually when I'm using the glass spray, it's quite expensive, so I only tend to use it when I really have to, but it normally does really leave the glass sort of squeaky clean. You probably won't be able to hear it, but it is, you can tell the difference. But the problem is, well, it's not a problem, but this is quite expensive compared to the fast glass, so that's why I only use it when I really have to. But if you've got stubborn marks on your glass, or you're using the Autoglym fast glass and you're looking at the glass at different angles, and you can't seem to shift what is there, then it might be worth considering just buying a tin of this, because that definitely does help to remove stubborn marks on glass. It's just something that I just don't use all of the time, just purely because of the cost. I'd rather use the fast glass because it's a little bit cheaper and it definitely goes around a lot further than using the actual Autoglym glass spray. So there we go. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the other uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.